P.SARIKA, graduated in the year of 2023. Joined QSpiders Punjagutta in March. So my sister also joined QSpiders. She also got placed through QSpiders, and she also referred me. So QSpiders is a very good platform where trainers train you in a very good way. Like they train you in interview perspective and also your knowledge perspective as well. And here the HRs and the staff is very supportive. They allow you to they give most opportunities, and that is on you. You have to crack it. And this is my 5th interview, and the rounds were around 5 rounds. 60 members were my competition. At the end, 6 members got selected. 2 of them were Punjagutta. I am one of them. And the training here and the people, the trainers here are very good. They are very supportive. And I recommend you to join QSpiders Punjagutta. This is my whole experience. I have gone through QSpiders Punjagutta.